Hello everyone, in today's Excel lesson, I want to introduce several common worksheet operations as well as the useful Consolidate feature. Okay, what are worksheets? Worksheets can be considered as the pages in Excel that we use to edit and store data. The worksheet name is displayed as a small tab at the bottom of the window. The key feature of Excel is that one file can have multiple worksheets. Therefore, whenever you need to input new data, you don't have to open a new Excel file every time. You can click the new worksheet button at the bottom of the window to instantly generate a new blank page. Worksheet names can be modified at any time. According to your needs, you can right-click the Worksheet tab and select Rename to input a new name, or you can also double-click the Worksheet tab to enter name editing mode. If you need to rearrange the worksheet order, you can click and drag the Worksheet tab to the position you want. For unused worksheets, we can also delete them by right-clicking. Besides adding blank worksheets, copying worksheets is also a very common technique, especially when we need to reuse a template. Copying sheets is simple. Just hold the Control key and drag the Worksheet tab next to its original position to instantly make a copy. Then you can rename the new sheet and update the data inside. Copying worksheets can also be done between different Excel files. Just open both files sequentially, right-click the worksheet to copy, choose Move or Copy, and in the drop-down menu select the destination file, check Create a Copy and click OK. The worksheet is now successfully copied to a different Excel file. For Excel's multi-worksheet environment, it also provides worksheet groups to sync editing of content and formatting across sheets. Just hold Ctrl and click the worksheets you want to edit in sequence, group or data group will then appear in the top window title. Now we can make simple edits across the grouped sheets, like selecting the title row and applying an underline style. When done, go to any sheet and right-click. Choose and group worksheets. You'll see the title underline is now applied to all worksheets. If you have some old and used worksheets, consider hiding them to be more efficient in data management. Just right-click the Worksheet tab and select Hide. The hidden tab then disappears from the bottom dot to unhide later. Right-click any visible sheet, choose Unhide, and pick the sheet to show in the dialog box. Click OK and it reappears. Finally, let's look at the useful Consolidate feature. This file has 3 worksheets representing data from different years. With Consolidate, we can combine them into one sheet for easier data analysis. Before running Consolidate, let's add a new blank worksheet first. Then go to the Data tab and click the Consolidate button. By default, Excel will sum the data. You can also open the drop-down to choose other functions. Next, we must add the data ranges from each sheet into this dialog box. So first I'll put the cursor in the reference field. Then switch to the first worksheet and select the table. Since the top and left cells are labels, not data, I can check top row and left column for Excel to map the data correctly. Hit Add. Then repeat by switching to the second sheet. Confirm the table is still selected, and hit Add again. Finally, add the third sheet's content. Excel will now sum the 3 years of data into this new consolidated sheet. If you want to further see each data point's origin, you can check Create Links to Source Data in the previous dialog box before hitting OK. If you want to further see each data point's origin, you can check Create Links to Source Data in the previous dialog box before hitting OK. Excel will then generate a drop-down menu on the left of each row. Opening it lets you see the annual sales figures. Okay. That concludes today's lesson on worksheets and Consolidate. See you next time. Bye.